Alright, today we are checking out this 8-in-1 electric cleaning brush, and before you think, I don't need anything like this, let me tell you, I was the same thought process as you. I thought, I don't need any kind of power tools like this, I can just clean by hand, everything works great. Well, you can clean quite a bit without a power tool, but let me tell you, once you start getting into using brushes like this on your cloth seats and vehicle carpets, it will make life a lot easier. And obviously some of these specialty brushes can fit into areas that you may not be able to get into conventionally. And then on this side, they give you, these three remind me a lot of like auto detailing, waxing, polishing type bonnets. They claim different reasons for each of them. I'll leave it up to you to decide what you would use them for. And then obviously you have the scouring pad there for heavy duty cleaning. This attachment basically snaps on and then lets you pick from these various over here, and then the brushes same way. And what you do, line up those little, there's a tooth on each side and there's a hole there, and it just snaps into place. And then they say to remove it, just kind of give it a little wiggle. I find it goes on and off pretty easy as long as you have it lined up. So it looks like it has 2 speeds. So you have basically on 1, on 2, and then off as you press that button. And of course they say keep your finger away from the button when you're taking off the attachments. So you also have this extension bar, and this is what's going to make it a back saver for you. Lock it into place. So if you were needing a really long reach, you could go ahead and put both of these on. Now, I think the camera angle is wide enough to see, but you basically have, it's about 4 feet long. So now, if you're trying to clean the underside of the car, I'll show you what I'm talking about. At the door, I'm talking about down here. I never clean this area very well because, let's face it, it's uncomfortable to lean over and get there. But with the brush, with the extension like that, it'd be real easy to get in there and clean it up. You retract the handle down, you see it drops down to about 3 feet probably. I don't think there's a way to collapse it any further. And I don't believe that you can can't attach this directly on there because you've got a female thread and a female thread. So your option is to use the extension at between 3 to a max of 4 feet, or totally remove it and just use it as a handheld scrub brush. Like if you're working inside the car, you're probably just going to use handheld. Nice feature, it charges up with a standard USB, so you don't have to worry about batteries, you don't have to worry about plugging it in, you can use this anywhere. So check it out, I'll put a link in the description where you can get your own and improve your auto detailing skills.